They're very throwaway, they're very conversational, matter of fact. So tomorrow when you guys see the film or the audience sees the film and a dialogue connects or clicks with them, then maybe we'll be able to speak about it more in detail. And there are a lot of dialogues that are contextual. So when you see it in the film, you'll enjoy it. Then maybe if we speak about it, it'll be nice.
Yeah, this question is for Mr. Vijay. Vijay sir, आपसे एक सवाल है कि कितना मैटर करता है बॉक्स ऑफिस इस फिल्म के लिए, क्योंकि इसके पहले भी डेली बेली आई थी, हिंदी और इंग्लिश में रिलीज की गई थी. फाइंडिंग फैनी भी हिंदी इंग्लिश में रिलीज हो रही है और इसके बाद बैंग बैंग एंड देन बॉम्बे वेलवेट. तो किस तरीके से आपका रुझान है फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर रिलीज?
See, our focus as a studio is obviously to come up with films and be associated with films which are different and diverse. And I think, you know, Finding Fanny, Bang Bang, and Bombay Velvet is just sort of testimony to that. See, box office is obviously a very important metric. And I think, but it all has to start with the fact that as a team, we all feel passionate about this film. And genuinely, I believe, you know, as we all know, audiences are changing. I believe it's an excellent opportunity for us to showcase a slightly different film, not only in India, but also across the world. And, you know, and make it a sort of a milestone as far as Bollywood is concerned. So I think it's really exciting times. You got, you know, exciting talent, and you got quirky directors, and so I think as a team it works really well. See, the film will go through two phases. There is the Indian diaspora, for which it will go out as a Bollywood film. And then there is a separate edit that is being done for taking the film beyond the diaspora. So yes, you know, there it happens beyond the diaspora in phases and stages. And exactly like what we did on My Name is Khan, we would want to do on this particular film.
Deepika and Arjun, yeah. Yeah. Hi. Seems like you guys had too much fun, and you guys have got lots of freedom on the sets. So, you know, Independence is coming up. So what is freedom for you guys? And how do you prefer to celebrate that day?
I love how you've made it seem like you're pertaining it to Finding
about
Fanny.
The film and then it became
And then you've gone so smartly into कि आप एक bite दे दो Independence Day पे. नहीं वो तो बिल्कुल देंगे, पर इन्होंने जो घुमा फिरा के सवाल किया है. I like your style, madam. Ladies first. That's freedom, see, ladies first. Respect women, give them the right to do what they want. Come on.
It's sad that we even have to see it.
That's also true, actually, yeah.
So I answer about the film
No.
or the Independence Day bite?
About the freedom. What is freedom for you, and how do you prefer to celebrate that day?
I think freedom is what I had said earlier to one of the other questions, which is to be able to just be yourself, express yourself, and be confident about the person that you are, and to be able to be that. For me, that is freedom.
The last two questions for
Wait, he didn't answer.
Yeah.
You need an answer?
You.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing she's saying. What happens is it's to each his own. At the end of the day, we live in a democratic country, and you correlated with the film, so I can say it's about enjoying yourself. That is what freedom is, where you can express yourself, enjoy yourself, do what you feel like, and not be answerable beyond a point. And I think that's what freedom is in today's day and age. You're your own master of your own destiny. You make your choices and live your life. For me, that is what absolute, genuine freedom is.
Hi, Deepika. Here.
Hi.
Deepika, you share a very good rapport with Homi and Anaita as well. Other than this, what really attracted you, you know, to do this film?